Evie, and today we are going to make a jam sandwich. So what we would need is 2 pieces of bread, some jam, and butter. We'd also need a teaspoon for the jam and a knife for the butter. So first, open the butter. Then get some butter with your knife and spread it. Then spread it all the way. Then spread the butter all the way to the edges. And if you don't want it to be too buttery, just put a thin layer. Now, we'll add the jam. So after you put on the butter, get your jam and then open it. Get some jam with your spoon, and then plop it into one piece of bread and spread it. And if you don't want too much jam, just put a little layer. But if you like lots of jam like me, you can put a big layer. And then get your other piece of bread and put it on top. And get your knife if it is still clean, and then cut it into 2 rectangles. Then, there you have it. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe to Raspberry Rocks.